Hey, everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of what machine learning is and how it can be used to solve real-world problems. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. In other words, machine learning algorithms can learn to identify patterns in data and make predictions based on those patterns. There are many different types of machine learning algorithms, but some of the most common ones include supervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is given a set of labeled data, which means that each data point has a known outcome. The algorithm then learns to predict the outcome of new data points. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is not given any labeled data. Instead, it is given a set of unlabeled data, and it must learn to identify patterns in the data on its own. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, the algorithm learns to make decisions by trial and error. It is given a reward for taking actions that lead to desired outcomes, and it is penalized for taking actions that lead to undesired outcomes. Machine learning is used to detect fraudulent transactions in financial services, e-commerce, and other industries. For example, banks use machine learning to detect fraudulent credit card transactions. Machine learning is a critical technology for self-driving cars. It allows cars to perceive their environment and make decisions about how to navigate and control their movements. As technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more sophisticated uses of machine learning in self-driving cars. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.